Okay, how to convert your files to STL format for 3D printing. Step number 1, go into your components you've drawn up. Open all of them in Inventor. I'm just going to highlight all of them. Enter. Right, these are all my components I have just opened in Inventor. Step number 2, go to Environments. Click on 3D Print. And then you will see there's written STL. Click on STL and we will save it as the very same name in STL format. Click Save. I'm going to the second file, Environments, 3D Print, STL, Save. And I'm going to do this, repeat this for all my parts. Right, these are for all my parts. There we go. We have saved all our parts. Okay. Now, once we're done, we can go look at what our parts look like. This is step number 3. Okay, here's all our STL files. Let me just create a folder here. Okay. There's all the STL files. You'll put it in a folder and then you can take it